Okay, it is Monday, September 4th, 2017. Happy Labor Day. It's about 11:30 in the morning. And I got a request to do a startup and shutdown of the Guardian, so I'm gonna do that today. I was planning on doing another startup shutdown of the Guardian before the winter anyway. So yeah. Now I was gonna get like a tripod for my GoPro and set it like on top of the Guardian, like right here, kind of like I did with the York, except I had those bricks. But unfortunately, I couldn't get the tripod in time. I will get that this winter though, and next summer we'll be able to do that. It should be a good setup to use. But anyways, I am gonna try something new though. We're gonna set the camera on this thing right here. I don't know how that'll turn out. I mean, okay, so hopefully that turned out okay. Pippin was actually like, he's always trying to get to go outside. So when I was trying to come out the door, he was like, we don't want him to go outside because we don't want him to run away. He was like right there, like blocking the door, so I had to move him and stuff. But anyways, so yeah, I will be doing one last startup and shutdown of the York. And there's T and Brandish over there spying on me. Anyways, I will be doing one last startup shutdown of the York before the winter comes, just in case we do replace it this year. But yeah. Probably I'll do that like at the beginning of October. I don't know. I really hope we don't have to replace it, because I mean, I really like this unit. I mean, I know I have said in the past that I didn't like it. It's a piece of junk and stuff like that, but I don't know. I've kind of changed my mind about that. I mean, I don't know. I guess I just like the way it sounds. Has a good startup sound, if you ask me. I mean, anyways, but the new unit, of course, will be more efficient and probably a lot quieter. But anyways, the Guardian is a 4-ton from 2007. It's a straight cool unit. I would love to have a heat pump to replace the York, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to talk T and Brandish into getting a heat pump. So I might ask one more time, but probably not. So anyways, I turned the Guardian down to 73. So yeah, anyways, guess let's go ahead and shut it off now. Alright, so I hope that turned out. This thing makes noise, vibrates a little bit. Hopefully that didn't mess it up. But yeah, there's a startup shutdown of the Guardian, and I can't wait to clean. I can't wait to clean next year. Anyways, so I guess over and out. Something else I wanted to show in this video I forgot to do is back in June, TM Brandish actually got this new car right here. It's a Volkswagen Golf. It's really nice. I'm not going to show a license plate number, but he used to have that Jeep Liberty. But I guess he was having problems with it, so I traded it in for this car right here. But I know I don't usually make videos of cars. I don't really care about cars, but I haven't filmed this car yet, so why not, I guess. So yeah.